In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wrike for video editing. Wrike is a powerful project management tool that can greatly streamline your video editing process by keeping all your tasks and files organized in one place. Whether you are managing a team or just your own editing workflow, these steps will guide you through setting up your project efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to your Wrike workspace. This is your central hub for project management, and it's crucial to know your way around this area. From here, you can easily access all your projects and tasks in one user-friendly location, which is designed to help you keep everything in check. Once you're in the workspace, it's time to create a new project. Look for the option to add a new project and click on it. Think of this as creating a new folder dedicated solely to your video editing needs. It helps to have a singular place where all the components of your project are grouped together, ensuring nothing gets lost. Now let's give your new project a meaningful name. Something like Video Editing Project works well, as it is descriptive and straightforward. This label will help you easily identify the project as part of your video editing tasks, especially beneficial if you're managing multiple projects at once. Next, it's time to break down the video editing process into manageable parts by adding tasks. Consider adding specific tasks such as filming, editing, graphics, audio, and review. By defining each step in the process, you make it easier to track progress and ensure nothing is overlooked. Wrike allows you to customize these tasks, so feel free to adjust them according to your particular workflow needs. With your tasks in place, you'll want to upload any necessary files that you'll need for editing. Simply drag and drop your files, like scripts or raw footage, into the project. Having all relevant documents stored in one location can be a game changer when it comes to staying organized and ensuring everyone on the team has access when they need it. Assigning and tracking work is integral to managing a smooth and efficient editing process. Begin by clicking Assign on each task to designate who will be responsible for each part of the project, whether it's editing or reviewing. Set clear due dates to help keep everyone on task and aligned with project timelines. By using Wrike's board view, you can visually track the progress of each task through stages like To Do, Editing, and Done, making it simple to monitor the status and flow of work. And there you have it, a streamlined and efficient workflow for your video editing project using Wrike. This setup will keep all your team's tasks in one neat place, making it easier than ever to manage your video projects from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!